Hello everyone, today here I have a 2017 Audi A4 Prestige and I just completed an oil change and I will be showing you how to get rid of that oil change due light. So first we want to start off with having the engine running. We will go to the center console screen and using the scroll button at the bottom here by the shifter, we will scroll up to the vehicle settings, and then once we get to the drive select, we will use the left silver key here, and then we will scroll down to the service and checks, and then we will scroll down to service intervals, and then here we can see reset oil change interval, and if we click that, would you like to reset the oil change interval? Yes, and there it has been reset. And then if we go back, we can also check the oil level in our car. Thanks for watching, hope this helped out.